Hello, good day. My name is Hussain and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. I'm back again to bring you all new updates in the financial markets that will give you some clue what's going on in the current week. Markets are demonstrating mixed sentiment ahead of non-farm payrolls due to be released on Friday. Even prices of major instruments have not changed too much from the beginning of the week. S&P 500 Block Market Index has stuck around 3,800 points level, which gold prices are hovering the level of 1,720 per troy ounce. Currency market is showing a poker face. Crude prices are the only one with outperforming volatility after unexpected OPEC decision to leave production quotas virtually unchanged. Brent crude prices first tumbled to $63 per barrel, quickly recovering to $68 up after the OPEC decision was announced. However, mixed sentiment could be expected as we saw G7 countries' February PMI data better than expected. There was a surprise that broke the line between 7 consecutive weeks of stalling business activity. However, we need to get the US non-farm payrolls results to get the whole picture clear, but the claim for swift economic recovery across the globe is clearly has been made. US Treasuries yield are back on the upward track since Wednesday, trying to examine Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell if he has changed his mind over rising inflation because by massive government spending without adequate rise of money supply. Powell seems to be a die-hard, at least before stalling warning sound for the markets would burst, along with a deep correction of the stock market, leaving the Fed no choice to increase money supply. Energy Information Administration on Wednesday announced a heartbreaking spike of crude prices reserves in the United States. Crude reserves soared by 21 million barrels, a single week rise that has not been recorded since 1982. Nevertheless, investors were too much focused on OPEC decision to adverse this terrifying spike. Apart the crude escape, the trading start of March was aligned to a standard non-farm payrolls week with a low volatility before the publication of the US labor data market. S&P 500 Broad Market Index continues to form a reversal pattern at 3,800 to 3,900 points with midterm targets to the support level of 3,350 points and 2,850 points. These targets are not for a week time. However, the market may bring an unpleasant surprise sooner or later. Next week, we may expect a decline in S&P 500 Broad Market Index to 3,830 points or to 3,765 points with the resistance level at 3,920 points. All markets seems to be most promising as Brent crude prices are testing the resistance level of $67 per barrel with a brief spike to $68. So far, it looks like a fragile attempt that could be broken, so traders should take caution to leave any position open over weekend. Gold traders are taking a close break to the level of $1,700.20 per troy ounce. It is unlikely that this break, may turn to a reversal as U.S. Treasuries yield high enough to attract most of investors' attention. So targets below $1,700 and even lower than $1,650 per troy ounce are just a matter of time. FX market this week showing less volatility as Euro USD and USD GBP are trending close to the support level of 1.1960 and 1.3860. Any confirmed breakthrough below these levels would lead to a deep slide of a euro and the British pound to 1.1620 and 1.350 respectively. USD JPY unnoticed broke the resistance at 106.50 and is heading towards 110.50. Is this level going to be reached today would largely depend on non-farm payrolls data today. Consensus suggests that US labor market has added some 183,000 new jobs in the non-farm sector with unemployment remaining at 6.3% and average hourly payments up by 0.2% in February. We may suggest that last figure is quite accurate as labor force spending were up in February. The unemployment may edge lower to 6.1 to 6.2% as jobless claims fell by 466,000 last month. We may also suggest the actual figure of non-farm payrolls in February may be lower than expected, with a range of 60,000 to 117,000 new jobs forecasted versus 180,000. So we may get mixed non-farm payrolls result today. Thank you very much for listening, and I wish you all a great weekend ahead. Bye bye.